To solve this first order equation with Laplace transforms, we're going to first take Laplace transforms of both sides of the equation. Then we will apply linearity to each term All right, next we have to think back to earlier section 5.2 and rewrite in the Laplace transform of y prime, and that is s times big Y of s minus the initial condition y of 0, and then we have minus 2 times the Laplace transform of y, and that is equal to the Laplace transform of the exponential function, which is 1 over s plus 3. The next thing for us to do is to do two things. We're going to factor out the big Y of s and also replace the 1 for the initial condition y of 0. So that's going to leave us with an s minus 2, big Y of s minus 1, the initial condition, equals 1 over s plus 3. And then we'll add 1 to both sides of the equation, and we will then get a common denominator. So we'll have 1 over s plus 3 plus s plus 3 over s plus 3 equaling s plus 4 over s plus 3. So we've got s minus 2 times big Y of s is equal to s plus 4 over s plus 3. If we now divide both sides by s minus 2, we end up with big Y of s is equal to s plus 4 over the product s plus 3 times s minus 2. And now we need to go ahead and take the inverse Laplace transform of this. So when we do this, we're going to go through and use partial fraction decomposition. So we write this as a over top of s plus 3 and b over top of s minus 2. All right, so now let's go ahead and pause the video there, and we'll pick this up with the partial fraction decomposition and the rest of the solution.